What's going on, my dude?
We have got an exciting group event today. I got 17 people coming from...
What?
Huh?
What?
Oh, thanks for f***ing me up there. I thought you said something wrong. We got an exciting event today. I got 17 people coming for a corporate group event to Extreme Sandbox Mini, and we're gonna knock it out of the park. Again, my name's Adam. We're gonna get started today, gentlemen. As people get in, you can kind of fill them in, otherwise I'll catch them. First and foremost is our team. So again, my name's Adam. I will be on the Mini-Excavators over there. We've got Jen over here. She'll be over on the simulators, and we got Randy. He'll be over on the simulators. Okay, so they'll be your instructors. You'll notice the guy with the camera behind you, that is Orig. He is videoing you. We've heard a lot of problems about your company, so we just want to have some video documentation in case the police ask. Insurance purposes. And for insurance purposes. Okay?
He's going for it.
Do the indoor events that much. So
Do you like it? Is it fun?
Well, it's not sitting out in the sun baking. So yeah, and this is a fun group, and they're all engineers who don't know the left and right.
That's
right,
promising.
Pauline? You don't know your left and right?
I don't.
They're a fun group though. Yeah, having fun. They want to go rogue. I think they're going to drive over stuff. I don't know.
What?
Hey, no laughing. This is serious construction.
Yeah, but
Take this more seriously. Are you going to go rogue now? Are you going to drive over the edge? Now what we can do, stop there. What we're going to do is your feet
Look at
now.
how disappointed you look.
That is what you did.
Look how disappointed he looks.
Look at that. That's what she did.
How's it going?
What's up?
What's up?
I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. They laugh at my jokes anytime I say stick, hole, dump, load, hole, which is always good.
Do you like, is this a nice change of pace?
You know what's good about this location as opposed to Hastings and Texas?
Yeah.
Can you guess?
Randy said it.
It's air conditioning. This is great. No mud. Hi guys in Texas, no mud.
No mud.
Air conditioning. No need for sunscreen. In fact, it might be a little bit cold. I might be getting a little chilly. Hopefully you guys had a good time here. You guys had a good time? Good. Thank you guys so much for coming. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yourselves. So thank you guys so much for coming. Have a good rest of the day.
I like these events. This is fun.
That was fun.
That was fun.
They were actually a lot of fun.
It's such a controlled environment, so everyone's like in the same room, and it just feels nice.
Well, yeah, that and just, again, not being in the elements outdoors, not having, like you said, the controlled setting. It's so much easier for me to turn my back to simulators.
Yeah. They can't really break anything in here.
Oh, they can.
Oh, they can.